All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. As you would have seen from the thumbnail, I'm going to be installing the Renegade Sports dead pedal for the NSX. So I purchased this from Acura Automotive. Thank you very much, Acura. So this is a semi-unboxing. Give you a little nice sticker. And the part is wrapped up like this. Let's get it open. And there's some hardware on the bottom. So here's the part. Looks pretty nice. Nice finish here you have on it. And you have the Renegade Sports logo on the back. Have a baggie of hardware, a couple of screws, a couple of washers, and a couple of nuts, and a Renegade sticker and a business card. So this should be pretty straightforward. There is no installation instructions, but it looks like you're just gonna drill a couple holes and then mount it with the bolt nut and washer. So let's go ahead and remove the stock dead pedal. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock dead pedal. It looks like it's two 10mm bolts. Okay, now that we got the stock dead pedal off of the car, like I said, there's no instructions, but it's fairly simple. There's only so many places you can actually drill the holes just because of what space you have available on the backside for the nuts. So I just did a quick Google search of the dead pedal on Renegade's site, and it came up with these two. Initially, I thought, I was going to do it in these two holes because they're right above each other. But if you look at this hole right here, it looks like you're not going to have enough space for the nut. So it's going to have to be these two, probably as they designed it. So I'm going to mark those two spots and then start drilling. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use a 3/16 drill bit. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I got the screws in. Gonna go ahead and throw in a nut and a washer on the back of these, and we should be done. So that was a very quick and easy install. So once I get these on, I will show you how it looks on the car. Okay, and for these screws, you're gonna need a 3/32 Allen wrench, and then the nuts on the back you're gonna need a 9mm socket. You don't need to go too crazy on these. So this is what it should look like on the back when it's done. And this is the front. So, okay, so the only issue I ran into is that, I don't know if it's because I over tightened it a little bit, but with these two bolts on the left side of the dead pedal and me over tightening it, there's a little bit of a gap on this right side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it from here, and I'm gonna mount it in the center mounting spot right here, which should get me right in the middle here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so update, I ended up drilling into the center hole here, since drilling down here made it go, made the dead pedal kind of tilt up and lift up on this side. So you can see here that it looks very even all around. And just a little bit of a issue right there. You know, if I really wanted to, I could have just dremeled that part off. But I just decided to tighten it down, and it's fine. So that's all you need to do as long as you don't mind the screw being up there. But this is just a dead pedal, and no one's hardly going to look at it, so I don't really care. But now it's ready to go in. Now we're ready to throw it back in. So simply install these two bolts that you took out. Okay, and here is the finished product. So I think it fits in pretty nicely. Of course, it's not a perfect fit with the Mugen pedals. The finish is slightly different. The Mugen pedal is slightly shinier, but to me, it's not a big deal. If you're really anal, you can either refinish the Mugen pedal, probably get it bead blasted or something like that, or you can go ahead and polish this one up. To me, I just wanted something to kind of match off. It's nice that both pedals on the 4 sides are now drilled. So pretty happy with this product and the overall install. Really quick install, as you can see, about 5-10 minutes. And again, big thanks to Koya Automotive. They're a US based company. NSX owner runs the company, and he provides a lot of great products and services for the NSX community. So I couldn't be more thankful. Customer service was excellent. Shipping was quick. So thank you very much, Koya Automotive. I'll drop a link for this product in the description below. And I forgot to mention, this bed pedal is available in different colors. I believe it's available in green and black as well. So I'm very happy with this. And if you want to grab one for yourself, jump over to Koya Automotive. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.